Hello again. You see guys, tired of buying 9 volts batteries for all kind of tools and instruments we have around. If I'm using a few times, then just waiting for another battery or something. Anyway, so the idea of the things today is to use a set of these lithium polymer cells. I use that to my defunct M328 or something, or M8 tester before. I have also a few boards like this. These boards are not only charging safety these cells, but also it's a boost converter, so I can deliver, let's say, 9 volts without a problem to the tester. I'm just thinking about having this guy glued here. It's a perfect positioning and it's nothing else in this area. I'm gonna use super glue because these guys are getting hot in the moment when they are charging, so if it's hot glue then it's just getting off, or double tape, same story. But before anything else, I have to replace this connector. We don't need it anymore. Let me take it down. And it's out. Let's have a test first time. So I'm going to connect the battery plus and minus to the board. I have to be careful with this because I need this side of the board to be as plated as possible. Let's clean the extra solder. The surface should be as clean as possible because we're gonna apply super glue and it's flat. Maybe I got this a little bit higher. Let's apply the battery plus goes here like this and minus. There we go. Let's check the voltages. We have at the input. Oh, what's that? Oh man, disaster strikes. Why? What have I done wrong? I believe I just shorted the module. Okay, sorry for that. I got a brand new one right here. Is this flat? Yeah, it is. That's so funny. I touched briefly something over there and it's gone. Okay, plus and minus. You know something? Let me check the polarity. So, brown should be plus. 7.9 volts. Yes, it is. So, we are good. Okay. Let me check the output. Plus, minus. 7.25 volts. Okay. Let's rise. 7.9. I think I'll go to 9.5. Oh, 10 volts. No, too much. 9.8. Yes, like this. That should be enough. Alright, so we are good to go here. This is clean. And I have the super glue right here. Okay, that's more than enough. That should be perfect. It's looking perfect, isn't that? It's like original. I need 2 pieces of wire to make a connection from plus to plus and minus to minus. It's plenty of space and place. And now let's have the plus going the same way. Goody goody. Of course, the next step. You see, the point is that I should have only one cell because this meant to charge a single lithium element or cell. I'm sorry, but I have to dismantle this because I have two in series now, which is not okay. This is so perfect. I even have a fuse there. Okay, tape. Oh man, this tape sucks. So the positioning will be like this with some double tape, and I have the charging port there, and let's do the connections. Haha! 9 volts and 61. Beautiful. Is it turning off by himself? It should. And that's the sandwich. Perfect. But before this, let me see, is it charging? Not with this cable. Yes, I recall that. I got my power bank, and let's push the power, and we should see the light. Nothing. My power bank is depleted. Possible. I don't see any LEDs. How comes? We should see these LEDs here. Are you kidding me? Look, I can't believe it. This one is not working. Oh man. What a... Okay, get out of here. How can I take this out now? Oh man. I should test that from the beginning. Now it's a mess. It wasn't so bad. Okay, so this is ruined. Okay, so this is the single one still alive, but we need to clean all this mess behind here to have a proper flat surface. Oh, still got a piece of something right there. Now it's gone. Okay, kindish. Crazy stuffs. There we go. Perfect. I hope this time we are just fine. I really hope so. You know, all the simple things are so complicated. Good. Let's see the light. Oh, charging light. Perfect. We got the charging light. But also I need to check the voltage out. 9.5. Perfect. I will disconnect this before. Okay. And power on. My rosin is contaminated. Something's happening with this. Probably from the alcohol I added for having some friction. There we go, 9.38 volts. Maybe I should have a little bit more. 10.3. Too much. 10 volts. That's enough. 10 volts. Why not? And I can even see the charging light. This is beautiful. Double take, please. Some more here. Is that enough? It should be enough. Look at this guy. Charging. And I can even cover this with some transparent tape. Oh, in fact, I don't need this. That should be okay with a single layer. I'm much more interested of protecting this LCD. That's it. Ugly? Yeah, so what? But I feel secure. And here I have to open the way to the port. Voila. Battery. Let me charge it as long as I'm in this stadium. Now it's charging. 10 volts, more than enough. Yes, people, I hope it's an interesting idea, and if you have any question, don't hesitate, write them down. I'll be happy to answer. In the meantime, don't forget, I need you to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, it will help me a lot. And like always, thanks to my sponsors, and until the next one, have fun, see you, bye bye.